Costa Adeje is a popular holiday resort located in the southern part of Tenerife, which is the largest of the Canary Islands. It is known for its beautiful beaches, year-round warm weather, and a wide range of tourist attractions and activities. One of the main draws of Costa Adeje is its stunning coastline, which boasts several sandy beaches, such as Playa del Duque, Playa de Fañabe, and Playa de Torvascas. These beaches offer a variety of water sports activities, including windsurfing, jet skiing, and scuba diving. In addition to its beaches, Costa Adeje has a number of top-notch resorts, restaurants, and shopping centers that cater to tourists. The area is also home to several golf courses, amusement parks, and cultural attractions, such as the Pyramids of Gamar and the Teide National Park. Furthermore, Costa Adeje has a reputation for being a safe and family-friendly destination, making it a popular choice for families with children. Its accessibility, with its close proximity to Tenerife South Airport and regular flights from many European cities, also contributes to its popularity as a holiday resort. For some fantastic offers on holidays to Tenerife or anywhere else in the world, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content and click the notification bell.